Alright, so I just need to thank you guys seriously so much for the support over the last 3 videos. Like, the last 3 videos have 1,500 likes, 1,400 likes, and then the last videos got 2,400 likes. So thank you guys, for real. It does mean a lot, of course. When you guys like and comment, it does help the channel out. So please take a second to hit that thumbs up right beneath this video. And then, on top of that, in the last video I mentioned the name for the subscribers was Star Squad, but I honestly got such good suggestions, so I would like you guys to vote what you guys want the name to be in the comments below. I'm probably gonna end up picking 2, but the 3 main ones that I personally like are Star Squad, and then the 2 other ones that I saw were All Stars and Gang Stars. So you guys can let me know what you guys would prefer or what you guys think sounds the dopest. Definitely let me know in the comments and just comment which one you like. I'm going to count them up and then we will see which one is the most popular. But thank you guys so much for the support. Seriously, it means a lot. So definitely take a second, hit that thumbs up and comment down below. Now, moving on to this delicious video, we are going to talk about or show you guys the process of signing up for Supreme. Registration is closed. Sadly, I tried signing up, but it just got stuck on the processing page. I would show you what that looks like, but my credit card information is on there. You can see the button is literally just stuck on processing. Fuck my life. Are you guys going back to sleep? We gotta go take that picture.
There's no sun.
No, I know, that's good.
Oh, you still want to go take it?
Yeah, I don't want it with sun. Sun ruins pictures. The clouds act as a diffuser. Just a little bit of photography knowledge for y'all.
Yeah, let's go. Give me like 10 minutes.
Alright, how'd you guys do on this week's sign up for Supreme?
Are you seriously recording right now?
Yes, I am.
Okay, not right now.
Yo, so craziest freaking shit, right? So I signed up for Supreme this morning, and I mentioned that I did not get a slot. It was stuck on processing. I checked my credit card because sometimes it'll be stuck on processing, and you will still get a slot if it charges your card. Well, guess what, motherfucker? It did not charge my card, yet I still got a text message. I should probably not be too happy or overly confident because I feel like that will probably fuck me and just somehow the universe will give me a shitty slot tomorrow. I do not know, but I did get a text message. Thankfully, I feel like the sun's coming out. Anyways, if you're wondering why I have this beautiful view of LA, it's because I am with the boy Qias, Omar, Qias. And yeah, we're taking some pictures and videos of this ugly ass shoe. Oh my god. That thing is so fucking hideous, but
fire,
you don't even think that. You're lying.
I'm gonna use them for what they are made to use. That's why I bought them.
I know that you don't think they're fire though.
They're
like,
interesting.
At most, you think they're okay.
I think they are interesting, and that's good enough for me as a sneakerhead.
So, Qias thinks that those shoes are interesting, aka garbage, but we're recording some footage right now. We're up at Runyon Canyon, and then I believe after this, I have to meet a very special person, which maybe I'll record a quick preview, but yeah, we'll see.
Remember all the times when you used to talk to me. Now it's no reply, always leaving me unread. It's 2 a.m. at night and I'm rolling off a bean. I can't fall asleep cause she might be in my dream. Always fucking up, always.
Alright guys, so I currently have 3 people going for this tee for me. Oh, they said online that no movie release.
Oh, really?
Hopefully I can get 2 of them myself. Yeah, you got 40 seconds.
Oh, shit. For reals?
Oh, shit. It's lagging.
Oh, dude, it's not loading. Come on, bruh.
Dude, come on. Go. Oh, my God. It's already selling out. Red one. Add a cart. There we go. We're not even going to see if we got it yet. We're just going to go right on to the next part. Oh, you're lying to me. You are lying to me. Dude, it declined my card. You're lying, bro. I might get 1. Oh, my God. You're lying, bro. I got a card decline? All right, guys. So, the final verdict, it was not a good drop. Anyways, hopefully I can get some in store. Alright, well, let's go hit LA and see what LA's talking about. And hopefully I do not take an L like I did online. Okay, so we have hit the Supreme line with the man, the myth, the legend himself, Isaac with a V. Anyways, funniest shit ever. So Kelly and Duva got slot 7, or a proxy for slot 7. My man came late and forgot his wallet. Come on, there you go. Make it. You gonna make it.
I need to put a tank top on. Take these pants off.
And he's probably still gonna tax you.
Then he comes out and he's
He's
like,
still
I
gonna
need
tax
15
the
on
fuck
top
out
of
of you.
everything.
After you're running around, all doing all this extra shit. All right, so the homie right here got slot number 8, and thankfully he got me my size small cherry shorts. He also got me the small Terry shorts. So Terry, cherry, and he got me the Grand Prix hat as well. He got some other things, so we'll show you guys those. I'll show you guys what I got at the end of the video. But oh wait, they gave you 2?
No, that's the. It's the other.
Oh, this is the other one.
Yeah.
I forgot. I didn't even see this yet.
Yeah, I didn't see
You mind
it
if I
this morning.
open
yeah,
it?
No, you can.
Okay, let's get his mom to help. Come on, Mom. Can you open this for us? She's like in the background or something. I don't know why she left, but can you open that for you? Thank you. Wake the world. Does it have anything on the back or no?
Oh, it has like his name.
Okay, bet.
Supreme logo.
I forgot they were doing another tee because they never showed it.
Yeah,
So
they
it's
just
like,
showed
and then
the
of course he got the photo tee.
Original.
Yep, you got the little him wearing the box right there.
Mox logo. See, I got the coffee.
Oh,
the,
yep, the espresso.
Greens from Supreme.
Thank you so much, man. I appreciate you. Bless. My friend right here is leaving, but thankfully I still have my friend right here. Yo, we're talking about this golf shop right now. It's fire. It's really fire. Oh, shout out to everyone who paid resale on this flame seat, flame tent, flame backpack, flame sleeping bag, flame shorts. This is a good season for golf. The tomato cherry. Oh my god. How do you feel about these vests, G?
It's like wire tape. Neck pillow.
I saw the neck pillow. The neck pillow's kind of filthy. A little sprinkle, John. But yeah, we are currently at Pearl's. I need to go get a motherfucking photo. Okay, so today we have an unboxing. Oh. Alright guys, so
you're gonna hit me. Just get out of the shot.
Let's go over a little bit more.
Alright.
Okay. Let's go over a little bit. Okay guys, so we got some goods.
Flowers, bro.
Fuck those flowers. Those are fake. Alright guys, so
They
today
really
we got some pickups. Alright, so first pickup we got the Grand Prix camp cap. What do you think?
Pretty cool. Why not release this the same week as the jacket?
And shorts.
And
I don't know
shorts.
why. I mean, they do that a lot though. But I honestly, I feel like lately, low key, I feel like the camp cap's been kind of fire on me. What do you think?
Hold on, dude.
Is
I
it-
think loosen it up a little bit first of all, because it looks like you. Oh, that's just your sunburn, but it looks like your face is turning red because it's so tight.
Yeah, no,
it
that's
doesn't
just
look
the
bad.
sunburn.
No,
I feel like these actually look pretty decent on me. But anyways, next up we got the Terry shorts.
Why this color? You should have got red.
No, you're smoked. That color's way harder.
Okay, so I had red in my cart, and I was about to check out, and then I'm like 122 bucks, or 118 bucks.
Tomato. After tax and shipping, it would have been 130.
Is this a personal though, or is that for when you shower?
It's a picture, and then I'm gonna sell it. I'm gonna sell it VNDS on Robotus and Poppy. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you go follow me on there, Robotus Poppy. You know what I mean? By the way, speaking of things to check out in the description below, I'm gonna have my personal Instagram, the Star Life, the most fire Instagram in the game. I'm gonna have my resale page, and I'm gonna have a video that we're about to shoot on this guy's channel of me absolutely destroying his sneaker collection. I'm really curious to see if people get mad. Stop honking, bitch. Anyways, so we got the Bialetti Mocha Express.
Is this personal?
I've thought about it. Probably not.
Really?
Like,
I was gonna ask you.
originally I was gonna have it as a personal, but then
It's
I'm like,
so small. I was telling him earlier, there's always 1 or 2 items that comes out during the lookbook, and we're like, oh, this is like, it's gonna be like this big. And
yeah, I
then
thought it was gonna be bigger.
I go on Instagram in the morning, and people are like,
Feel that though. That's
yeah, this
solid.
is nice. I mean,
solid
it's nice.
construction. $58.
Oh yeah, that's not bad. I don't know how to use it. Do you know how to use it? I have
No idea.
Yeah.
No idea at all. I just.
But
go
you
to
know what would be
Starbucks,
cool
so I'm a
though?
basic bitch.
Somebody did it on Instagram already, but they poured the it's a coffee maker, right? Or
Yeah.
tea. They poured it inside the Supreme Stack cups.
Oh, that was Max Mills.
No,
Max Mills did
Golden
it.
Fly did it too.
Oh, okay. Well, shout out to both of those individuals.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Okay, so
Yeah, I want to see what you're. Oh, they're swim shorts. Oh, they're swim shorts.
yeah, you
I didn't know that.
You didn't know that?
That's
Yeah, swim
fire.
shorts.
Okay, that's fire. Damn it!
Size
Now,
small, baby. We out
now I
here.
kind of like regret passing on this. Oh, I didn't know these were swim shorts.
Yeah, those are gas.
I think I could fit a small. You're selling, right?
No. We got the
Okay, man. I don't know about this.
dude.
I mean,
I've been listening to reggae since I was 2 years old. So like I grew up listening.
Name
to
3 members of Wu-Tang.
If it comes by members of Wu-Tang,
Redman, Method Man.
Redman's not in Wu-Tang.
I do not listen to Buju at all. I did take a picture. Someone got mad at me. 2 people got mad at me actually. But I don't really listen to Buju. This is for resale. But still an absolutely fire
Let me see.
piece.
I like the size of the.
It's funny that you asked me to name Wu-Tang members when I'm wearing RZA.
Right? I'm definitely a hype beast. I buy a lot of stuff that, you know, it's hype beasty, but I would never wear something unless I actually knew of the person. I have no idea who this guy is. You guys can flame me.
You know
if
he has
want.
more #1 hits than Bob Marley? And there was a comment that was referencing that and saying that a lot of people have sampled him. So I'm kind of curious if there's like old hip hop songs that I know that have sampled his music.
Maybe
but-
Kanye.
Okay, so
But one thing, can I say one thing is
No.
when it comes to like photo tees and like stuff like that, I get flamed if I don't know something. That's why I got flamed for that Wu-Tang comment. If you know the backstory, you know it. Like for the Nas tee, I've heard Nas throughout my whole life, but I've never been like a fan. So when I had the Nas shirt,
you gave me the Nas shirt though.
I gave it to you, right?
Yeah.
But I felt uncomfortable having it because if somebody were to ask me name 5 songs, I could only probably name like 3 or 4. You know what my favorite
cool
is?
idea.
Hate Me Now with Diddy. That music video was banned on MTV.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, because it had them hanging on a cross.
I never had telly, so
This is sick. I like this one.
I like this color, but all the other colors of this are trash.
Really?
Except for maybe the pink one
I
that
think
has the blue.
Let me see which one I got.
I just
What
like
is the
colorway.
graphic?
It's just like a cloud.
Oh, I thought it was like a squid or something.
It looks like a bunch of jizz.
He-
No, that's this. You got the Shears tee.
I got a Reaper, a Cloud tee, a Sheer tee. And,
This is a cloud tee.
yeah, I got like 5 t-shirts.
You picked some weird.
Dude,
the
I
Shears
just
tee
got-
is terrible.
Dude,
I'm
what
just-
movie is this from? This
This-
from a movie?
Yeah,
Dracula?
Yeah, good job.
Oh,
Hey, my boy out here with the supreme knowledge. You
Right?
feel me?
Knowledge.
So we got 2 of these, the Bela Lugosi. We also got the It Gets Better Every Time tee. I feel like the Supreme does this a lot. Like they have a lot of where these like kind of old style graphics. What do you think of this?
It's whatever. I wouldn't really wear it.
She's also sunburnt, kind of like me.
Kind of looks like that plate tee they had.
What do you mean?
They put
dinner
that
tee?
the chicken dinner tee. Yeah.
Nah, it looks a little different. You got this. The
I like
quality-
this one.
Okay, it's kind of cool because it's like this like VHS vibe. But to be honest, it feels like this tee is old. Like this should be on like an overdyed tee. It's like an old graphic with like a new tee. What do you think of this?
I like this one. This is like a Reaper, right?
I heard it's got Supreme on the back.
Yeah.
At first I was like, oh, there's no branding, blah, blah, which they probably did on purpose, and it's got Supreme on the back. And I actually kind of like this font. I've been seeing people wear it up and down the block. The acid yellow colorway is so fire. My homie DB Resells wanted the acid yellow, but they actually brought me a navy, so that's trash. But regardless, super fire. So yeah, he just talked about a really good idea for this photo that I'm not gonna put in the video because I'm gonna actually just do it myself. But this is the Dynamite tee, also pretty fire. I think overall this drop was fire. Like I think this drop was a good one. We got some pins.
Oh yeah, are those free or you have to pay for them?
These are free.
Oh cool.
You want one?
No.
Okay.
You
Fuck
can sell
then.
it.
Fuck you then. All right,
What is the
whatever.
sticker,
No,
though?
no. Forget
Did you
about
get the Buju Man sticker?
Buju man.
I don't know who he is.
No, I did not. But anyway, so that is everything, guys. Hopefully you guys like this little unboxing. I have 2 days left in LA, so I'm not gonna end this vlog quite yet. But let's see what festivities or activities we partake in. All right, peace.